honor dúine in Gaillimhe le Gaeilge, Ada Gaeltachta a bhenar Bhronnta ag na Gradam seo. It's always an honour for Gaillimhe le Gaeilge to have a minister for the Gaeltacht attend our Gradam Awards, but it's extra special this year, Ahorja, when the minister is from my home county. Cunda we all.
She'd put through a Gradam, thrive new at Cahar na Gaillimhe, now. Irish Sock Society.
Ní fiúháin bhfuil muidir ceiliúradh Gradam agus muintir gnó Cahar na Gaillimhe agus muintir tráchtála Cahar na Gaillimhe ach freisin bhfuil muidir ceiliúradh teanga na Gaeilge.
Is iadach é tá fuinneamh tá spríán, tá gnó an freisin, agus tá sin á dóibh de gcuin an másc an.
Ceap mé go raibh sé thar bar, an céad uair a bhí mé an seo. I was particularly impressed by the international dimension and the new residents of Galway who had taken the time and the effort to learn the Irish language.
What I love about the Gradam is that it gives small businesses the opportunity to be creative and to contribute to the colourful thread that is Galway.